The first step in setting up your BOF gravity flow shelving starts with your uprights and sway braces. When installing uprights, set them about 12 to 15 inches from the door. There are 4 spots you can install sway braces using the hardware you received with your shelving. BOF recommends installation on top front and the bottom rear. The hardware you receive will be used across the complete door run. Keep in mind to only hand tighten the hardware until your shelving is completely assembled. Insert the shelf clamps for all the shelves on your planogram, maintaining 5 inches of pitch across all the shelves. Place the top and bottom shelf on each door. Use a level to make sure uprights are level. Fully tighten the sway brace hardware with tools. Ensure the uprights are correctly centered behind the door mullions. Begin placing the remaining shelves on the clamps. Next up, we will prepare the shelf for merchandise. Install the price tag molding on the front and rear angle of the shelf. Lay the wire mat between the front and rear angle with the divider comb facing up at the front of the shelf. Slide 2 glide sheets onto the shelf frame from the rear between the wire mat and the divider support comb. Use the tallest product on each shelf to space the shelves vertically. Line up the product and insert dividers, making sure there's room for product to flow and that the divider is fully seated in the rear comb. Before loading a shelf, install the plexi in the pocket of the price tag molding to minimize product falling off the shelf. Load the product onto the shelf.